Hello, this is Scott with Apple Chevrolet here in Tinley Park, Illinois, coming at you today to share one of the pre-owned vehicles on our lot and the perfect road trip vehicle, a 2017 Chevy Express conversion van. You can see the size of this vehicle ensures that you'll have all the space you need for a big family or road trips, and luggage as well. See all the cargo space you have out back. This vehicle has just under 60,000 miles on it and is in great shape overall. We can see the interior has plenty of great features for comfort and luxury. You got your leather trimmed interior. Your TV entertainment system up top, and speakers and air vents throughout. You also have your DVD, your controls, and your rear AC and heat climate controls accessible to the rear passengers. Fully motorized seat movements on both the front passenger seats, and a very well equipped and simple dash and entertainment system, all to ensure that you enjoy your ride every time you get in this van. Complete with the power step rails that close and open with the door. Please let us know if there's any questions about this van or any other vehicle on our lot here at Apple Chevrolet. Please reach out to our sales department at 708-429-3000 or check us out online at applechevy.com. Thank you so much.